Hey folks, Mike.Bassett here, Guaranty RV in Junction City, Oregon. First I want to talk about our dealership. We are a destination dealership here. We've got our own restaurant, we've got service 7 days a week, nobody does that, and we also have an RV park for all your convenience. What I have here today is a 2010 Eagle Cap truck camper. They're built in Yakima, Washington, in the Northwest for the weather like this that we have, so it's a very well-built camper. The thing I like about campers, I have one, is that I also have a boat. I can use my pickup truck, I can pull my boat with it, and also a utility trailer with my quad in it. So for me, it's the perfect RV. So it's got a fiberglass front end cap, a nice rubber roof, and if you look at this one, it's got racks on top, so if you want to put your kayaks or anything like that. So this is the outside of it. Got diamond plate across here for strength and integrity. Electric happy jacks. You've got an electric awning on the back here, which is convenient because this is going to be your entrance and your patio here. So ladder to get up to those roof racks is included. Let's take a look inside. So this camper has got a slide out, and the nice thing about that is it's a booth right here. You can easily fit 4 people. The table will drop down for another place to sleep. In the slide out, you've got your 2-way refrigerator and freezer. Over here, you've got a wet bath. What I do is on these hangers right here, I hold just a little squeegee right there, and so you can just wipe your water down and clean it up. Nice big size bed, and then your galley over here, all solid oak cabinetry. And thanks for taking a look.